In this video, I'm going to show you how to add badges in LearnWorlds, a quick and easy way to level up your courses and engage your learners. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your students an extra incentive with badges, so stick around, because I've also got a few things to share that might make you rethink your choice of course platform. Let's dive right in. First thing you need to do is log into your LearnWorlds account and head to the Academy tab in your dashboard. From here, select the Badges section. If you've never used badges before, this is where you'll be able to create new ones. Next thing you'll do is click on Add Badge. This opens up a page where you can customize the badge with a title, a description, and an image. You can upload any image that fits your brand or course theme. Choose something visually appealing because that badge is going to be displayed proudly on your learner's profile. It needs to stand out. The third thing is setting the rules for how students earn that badge. You can assign badges based on course completion, achieving a certain score on a quiz, or reaching specific milestones within a course. The rules are flexible, so you can create a badge for just about any achievement your learners accomplish. This is a great way to encourage participation and make learning more interactive. Once your badge is set up, the next thing is assigning it to your course. Navigate to the course you want to award the badge in, and under the completion settings, you'll find an option to add a badge. You simply select the badge you've created from the drop-down menu. This will automatically be awarded to students once they meet the criteria you've set. The fifth thing to know is that LearnWorlds allows you to issue multiple badges for different achievements within the same course. This means you can gamify your learning experience even more, giving students various opportunities to earn recognition and stay motivated. Finally, you can monitor and manage the badges that have been earned through the Badges section in your dashboard. You'll be able to see which students have earned them and track progress. So now that you know how to add badges in LearnWorlds, here's the thing. While LearnWorlds does have some useful features for course creators, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone, especially if your main goal is to focus on student engagement through badges. There are alternatives out there that might suit your needs better. I'm going to recommend a platform that offers more flexibility and customization, which could give you even more control over your badges and the learning experience overall. This platform has a free trial too, and if you're interested in learning more, you'll find a link in the description. Before you go, if you want access to the best possible free trial for LearnWorlds, I've got you covered. By using the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial that's only available to our viewers. But don't forget, I've also shared some alternatives that might be a better fit for your course building goals. Check out those options, try the free trials, and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your course creation.